today we are going to show you some goodies. We've just got this Z6 Essential Movie Kit straight from Nikon, and we're going to do some box opening for you. The reason we're very excited about it is because we're going to use it for our video production, so hopefully you guys will notice the difference. We also will learn how to use it, and that will help us to advise you guys how to use this kit for your own videos. Okay, let's see what's inside. Let's just quickly open this box. Some list of lenses and upcoming Nikon lenses, some accessories for video work, and we've got the goodies as well. 6 body. I'm sure you've seen the opening of that 6 before, so it's basically will be the same. So it will come with the charger, cables, battery, and the manual and the strap on there. We also have second ENL15 battery, so you get 2 batteries in the box. We've got FTZ mount adapter that will allow you to put all your Nikon F lenses on the camera, and I'm sure you would love to put some manual focus glass and just try it for the video work. So this out of the way, the third bit we have is a power kit. So we've got Atomos Ninja Power Kit, which is basically a charger, and it's a charging solution. So we've got 2 big batteries. Those are 5200 mAh battery. 2 of those that would go on the back of the Ninja V, and we've got some cable in here as well, I believe. So yeah, so a bunch of international adapters and the AC adapter itself. The second bit we have is Atomos Ninja V, which is our external monitor that will allow us to preview the video on a larger screen, but it also allows you to record the video if you purchased a 2.5-inch SSD drive. More on that you can check on Atomos Ninja website for the list of compatible drives. So it's 5.2-inch screen, pretty good size, feels quite robust. We've got space for the batteries here and for the SSD drive as well. So let's see what else inside the box. I've got some rubber, some paperwork. We've got power cable here as well. An SSD card, that's your hard drive card, where you'll put your external hard drive, and different plugs for different regions. What else we have here? That is, I assume, some sort of battery adapter as well. That's it. The last 3 bits we have here are the part of the SmallRig cage for Nikon Z cameras. So let's open the main box up. So we've got the main cage, which feels very nice and robust, quite well engineered. So effectively your camera will go in here, and you can attach a bunch of accessories to it. Then we also have an arm which normally goes on top, and that will allow you to attach external accessories such as mics or Atomos Ninja V. So to attach Atomos Ninja V, we also will need this hand, and that's basically will go either on the side or on top of the handle, and then it's got an adapter to attach the external monitor to it. And here it is, folks, it's all here.